Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This is how the fuel cap sits on my Volkswagen T5. It's a pain. I don't like this. This is missing. There's a part missing here. This doesn't close properly. So let's fix this. I already bought my kit. I can leave you the part numbers in the description. This is genuine Volkswagen and it goes in there, pretty easy to install. And also order a new clip. So it looks like my clip is loose, but it is a bit bent anyway. But I couldn't. I tried to get it in there, but you can't get it in there without removing this piece of plastic. I went around and bought a new cap, as you can see, because this was broken. This was cheap. I got it off eBay or whatever. It was cheap. But we need to remove this bolt in there, and that's where that attaches, just behind the bolt, but I'll attach it once we put this back on. So here's what we need. You're gonna need a T20, it's a Torx bit to go in there, or if you don't have a T20 you can use a flathead. As you can tell, you can also use a flathead, but I have a T20. I'm gonna use it. Okay, get this out. You're gonna have this little hose goes down there, but just remove it and put it to the side. You can give it a clean. I'm just gonna put it down here, and now we can access this. This is gonna be a little bit bent, most likely, so just push it. Just get it as straight as you can, and then the door should be closing properly. Just lubricate these hinges in here a little bit. Just so this hole moves freely. This can come out. Give this a quick clean. Some lubrication in there. This end of the clip has to go into that slot over there. So just stick this in here, and then you're just gonna have to force it in, just like that. As you can see, you go here from the top, you can see, yeah, that goes in there, and then you just force the end into the slot. Let's see how it closes now. Oh yes, now it's pushing towards the inside, like it wants to go there. See, that's how it should be. It's not trying to stay open. So very quickly, this is a very easy replacement. You just grab the new part. As you can see, there is a couple of clips in here, and you just slide it, line it up, and then slide it all the way in. And that until that clips in there, but I need to use both hands to push it. But you get the idea. And then once the door is closed, you shouldn't be able to open this. And then I'm going to show you how to adjust this. So it sits flush with that panel like that, but we need to install that part first. Let's get in there. Get the hose down there. Just line this up, just like that. You can see that's why we couldn't get that clip down there. Now this is in place. Make sure this goes all in, just like that. In my case, I'm gonna get my new fuel cap in there. Boom, in. This will go in here. And now we just need to put the screw back in. Easier with both hands. Did you get the idea? Just line that up in there. Boom. Sit. Let's see how it sits. It actually sits pretty damn well. But if you need to adjust it, you use this rubber. If you turn it anti-clockwise to the left, the rubber pops out. It will hit the door, and then you can adjust like the gap you want on the door, if you know what I mean. Like if you push it all the way in, it will stay flat. It will touch this black plastic, but if you want it to stick out a little bit to line up with the door, you just unscrew, you adjust this rubber until it sits nice. Mine is sitting perfectly. I'm just gonna close the door and try. That's it. That's it, guys. Pretty easy fix. Try yourself. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, and maybe subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.